How to link Headball 2 with Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. If you are on the lookout for how to connect your Headball 2 account with Facebook, here's how you do it. First of all, launch Headball 2 on your Android device and wait for it to load. Once it does, go to the right hand corner and tap on the gear button. This will open up settings. Click on My Account in the pop-up and click on App Connect button in blue at the bottom center. You'll need to enter your Facebook account's credential. To connect to Facebook, you'll need to spend 10 diamonds. Tap on App Connect at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Enter your Facebook account's credential, that is your email or phone number and password, to sign in with Facebook. Once you've done that, click on the Continue button and you have successfully linked Headball 2 with Facebook. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.